sticker on my car, oh yeah. You definitely carry that bag in every time you pick up an order. You definitely. Didn't I just decline this shit? This is why acceptance rate is scam. Because even when you decline it the right way, they still send it back. They don't care. Put some tape on your DoorDash bag. Just got to add on $10 plus $9.25 for 8 miles. $9.25 for 8 miles. Why would you do that? Ain't this the same damn order? Bro, why is they sending me the same order back to back? This is crazy. Bro. Why is they sending me this? Bro, they tripping. What the hell? If they send that mug back one more time, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Why is they doing this? Why is they doing this? Why is they doing this, chat? This don't make no damn sense. I done declined this shit 5 times. I told y'all acceptance rate was a scam. You ain't believe me. You ain't believe me. I tried to tell you. And your ass out here accepting every order when they would literally send you that shit back like it's Uber Eats, nigga. No! If they send it again, boy, I don't even know. Do y'all see this shit? Do y'all see this shit? I keep declining this mug, y'all. It keep coming back. Hey, this is crazy. This is crazy, bruh. Bro, do y'all see this shit? They literally keep sending me this bitch over and over. Like, what the fuck? This the 7th time I declined this motherfucker, y'all. What the hell? Let's go for 8. Let's see if we can decline this mother. You ain't never declined the same order 8 times. Nigga, I'll do this shit for real. 9 times. This order got 9 lives like a cat. Ain't that a bit? No! I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it, DoorDash. Oh my God, I don't want it. Jesus Christ, man. What the hell is wrong with these people, bro? Didn't I just tell them I don't want this damn order? Gotta cancel it. You gotta take it. Boy, I ain't taking that shit. I take that shit to my belly. Tony watching the stream, sending it to you on purpose. That's cool. That's cool. I know y'all better hit that like button. We better get 100 likes if they keep sending me the same fucking order. Hey, man, y'all better hit that like button, man. Stop playing with me, bro. For real. Y'all see this? This is crazy. Yeah, you better send me a different one. You better send me a different one. That's crazy, boy. They send me that same order 30 times.